in this interaction.
Geno mar chako gedo mar kar rwako welo ma ong'ere kaka Terminal Point e alap ndeke ma Lichota, kaunti ma Migori, ochakore ka piny owacho ka okalo kuom duol mochung'ne alap ndeke pacho ka Kenya Airport Authority dhi tiyo kod omenda maromo shillings milion 300 e gedo makamano. Jafwambo mar kaunti ma Migori, Juma nigi ler mathoth.
Jakom mar bod mochung'ne alap ndeke pacho kae, the Kenya Airport Authority Caleb Kositany, kojo kanyo moko mar Kenya Airport Authority, kod Governor ma Migori Ocheleako, ne otimo limbe margi alap ndege no ma Lichota, e kaunti ma Migori, mar kaka chenro mar gedo, mar kar rwako welo, kata Terminal Point, madhi mwonyo omenda maromo milion 300 koro dhi nyime.
Migori is a very smooth place to work because of the collaboration we have with the national government and the county government led by His Excellency the Governor. A lot has happened here. He has spoken about the expansion of the runway. That is in our books. We want to expand the runway to 2 kilometers so that you can be able to take more aircrafts, bigger aircrafts, fully loaded. Excellency, the President is key on infrastructure development. As he speaks about our road to Singapore, these are some of the little things that we do. Somebody might see that they don't matter, but in the long run, you will appreciate once this facility is up and running.
I am happy today to welcome the team of Kenya Airports Authority when they are visiting and they are living the dream and the request of Migori County government on behalf of Migori people.
Jakom mar bod ni mochung'ne alap ndeke Kenya Airport Authority Caleb Kositany, wach ni gedo mar kar rwako welo ma igeno ne dhi rumo kinde mar dweche 12 dhi medo yawo malach alap ndeke ni ma Lichota.
And we also want to actualize the international part of this airport. So we shall have an immigration officer sitting here so that people can take their international flights to Serengeti and land here from Tanzania or wherever and begin their safaris in Kenya. When you hear the airlines operators have increased the frequencies, that means the people have embraced flying as opposed to driving. So it means there's a necessity to have this airport functioning fully.
Igedo ni ka gedo mar kar rwako welo ni e paw ndege ni ma Lichota rumo kendo koro chako tich, welo maromo 500 mawuok nyaka e pinje maoko biro bedo ka tiyo kod alap ma ndege ni ma Lichota.
Terminal buildings are very key infrastructure for airports or airstrips to thrive. The facility we are putting up here is going to cost us about almost 300 million. It's going to hold about 500,000 passengers a year. And we expect that to serve us at least for the next 10-15 years.
Governor ma Migori Ocheleako wach ni mor kalap ndeke ma sirikal mare ema ne ochako chenro mani koro tiyo makare bang' gero kar rwako welo moro matin kendo manyo kambi mar ndege matiyo wuoth mamoko osedongore kendo pod omedo dongore.
I came to office in 2022. We had a runway without anything. It was just a runway. And we quickly sat down as an administration, being guided or driven by the need of Migori people and their guests. We couldn't continue flying into Migori through Kisumu. What we did as an administration, with the consent and agreement of Kenya Airports Authority, was to put up the facilities you see there, that little terminal and the other supporting facilities, so that our people would connect to Nairobi.
Ochilo wacho ni kaka tend kaunti ma Migori gimedo keto chenro moko mane ne lap mar ndeke ni ma Lichota koro jiwo dongruok e sekta no mar limbe, ohala kaachiel kod moko e kaunti ma Migori.
Many other airlines will come here, and Migori is a place on the move. As an administration, we are doing our local activities of expanding access road, supplying water to encourage investors to come to Migori.
Lipot yango ni higa mag 2013 nyaka 2014 welo maromo 22,000 ne otiyo kod lap ndege ni ma Lichota. Juma, Ramogi TV, Migori.